Hi, I'm Tom from LSI Garage. Today we have a 2016 F250 Ford in the shop. I'll be showing you how to change the air filter in it step by step. So let's get to it. Change our air filter now. Process 4 clips. Pull it forward, lift it up, set it aside, pull your old filter out. If you have a little shop vac, it's good to get down in here and get things out. Blow it out real quick, put the new filter in place. Reverse process. It's got 4 tabs on the back side that go in place. Push your button in on your filter minder. It'll reset. It'll tell you when your filter needs changed next time. And that's how easy it is to change your air filter on your Ford truck.